Today, you're coming with us on a special factory tour. This is James, our sales manager, and Linda, our beloved customer from the US. From raw hair to finished bundles, get ready to see what makes Andrea Hair truly different.
Machine, I think coming the machine to prepare and short the hair, like you see the bundle here, line like this, and like your hair, the wool and the bottom like this. We have to make the cuticle line, yeah. Hackling process. Hackling. We can basically have every inch, every side, anyway. This one is 25, 10 inch. This one is longer. But how many inch do you want?
We'll look at this girl. I'll show you another.
This is too short. Mostly I put it for a year. Put it here for a year because I cannot use for anything.
No?
Because I don't have customer with this length.
Yeah.
It is very short.
What length is this? Like 6 inch?
This is about 20 centimeters. Then move downstairs. You're taking out the body hair. Taking out the body hair. Unlike the downstairs, there are so many left. But here it's not so many hair. Yeah. This one is much short. No tangle when you This one is ombre color between the 12 colors and this color is like 7. This is the first time you visit Hair Factory.
No, this is probably like second or third visit.
Oh, so you might visit the long factory before? Yeah, in Vietnam.
Yes.
What do you think about the quality and the process we used to process with them?
I think you guys have like a strenuous processing system.
Yes.
And I like that you check, double check, and triple check your work.
Yes.
I think that leads the customers to feel more secure in the purchase.
Thank you. Okay, look compared to your image.
I think it looks like how I imagined. I think the raw hair is supposed to look rough until you find the different things to do with it. But it looks rough, but it looks silky as well. So it looks like you can use it straight as it is, like on your braids, or into human hair braids or boho braids.
Yes.
Or if you actually wanted to press it or curl it, it looks like it will go pretty well. Yeah, I like the feel of it automatically just right out of the bag. So even if I know that I need something to it, I know it will be even better. The finished hair product to the raw hair, I guess it kind of depends on if I'm getting raw bundles or raw wigs or a virgin hair bundle. I think the virgin hair looks really great. It's really refined. And the raw bundles still look very healthy, original, strong, and the virgin hair was really strong and strong.
Experience in Vietnam and also our factory. What do you think that would be?
I think that people have a high level of integrity amongst themselves, and I think the factory here represents that as well. And I think people are very family oriented, sure they prioritize things together. And what was the last part of the question?
Easter.
Oh, about Vietnam in general?
Yeah.
Oh, I think welcoming would be what I would say the most.
Yeah.
Like I feel welcome in places I go for restaurants, walking around, and then also